Hello YouTube, this is part 2 of my video. So in part 1 I showed you how to remove this from the other side, and we are trying to exchange this screw and get this to the normal working plugs in our country. So in our case here, it's just a DIY project. So first of all, you're going to just go ahead and put in these two like this. This is how simple. Then after, before you squeeze them, so what you do, so we're going to do this. Then after, you're going to get the other pins here. So you're going to press it a little bit down. Make sure I press it while the wire is connected. Sorry about that. You have to make sure things don't fall down to get lost. Okay, I've seen it. So the next thing I'm going to go and test, and this was just a quick video. So I'm going to test, then I push it so thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, so this is how it looks like, very clean. Next step, you squeeze it, that can hold it, then can press it a bit gently. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.